So I live in the woodsy part of Manhattan, Upper Manhattan. We have woods all around, and it's kind of extraordinary. And because of the concern for bees and butterflies, we had a lot of people harvesting the butterfly, the monarch eggs, and they had a special net kind of cage that you could, not like a cage, like a box or something. They put in sweet water, and they put in milkweed and other kinds of plants, and they, in our neighborhood, in various places, were these stations where you could see the eggs turn into caterpillars, form cocoons, and then they had ceremonies when the butterflies hatched. So the butterflies came out of the cocoons, and they would invite the children in to the neighborhood, and they would reach in. They would do other things like, you could paint yourself like a butterfly or whatever, and they would pick out a butterfly and they'd say, oh, this one is a male. What will you name it? And put a little something, sweet water here. What will you name your male butterfly? And you would pick a name, Michael, or something. And then the butterfly stays in the hand, and the child releases it to go to Mexico. And here's a female. A butterfly. Put out your hand, here's a little water. What will you name this female butterfly? And Hannah.
Yeah.
Okay, bye, Hannah. Hannah's going to Mexico. And it was the most incredible, transformative, and there were actually hundreds of them hatched like that. So I think with our thoughts, we have this time in between, like it's almost like the things we talked about, with like laying eggs in us, and we can be like the little open air netting with the right supplies, and we can nurture those things, and then we can think what butterflies we're releasing, rename them, send them off. So that's my thinking.
Thank you.
Thank you.